Introducing workonlineoffers.com. This is my blog website, and if any of you are watching this video, you are watching my YouTube channel as well, but this YouTube channel is connected to workonlineoffers.com. And if you come and visit this blog site, I discuss things about online marketing tools, how to make money, and I talk about the mindset as well. So, if you are looking for a way to make money from the comfort of your home, working online offers a great opportunity for people to make a living without having to leave the house. With the right skills and dedication, you can find a range of online jobs and can help you to make a steady income. From freelance writing to visual assistant roles, there are plenty of ways to make money online. On this website, we will explore the different types of online work available and how you can get started. So I have made this website, this blog site actually, Work Online Offers. It's an opportunity for anyone that wants to learn how to start an online business, and it'll give you valuable information, valuable content from other creators, from other people, business people that are making money online. I've included some of their videos and how you can grow your business. Together, this website is going to help all of you. So I'm offering it to you guys for free. Just go to workonlineoffers.com and feel free to use any of the content and take it to heart and get started with your own YouTube channel. Or if you want to promote other affiliate products online, these will help your business grow. All right, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. By the way, I'm Laudiaann. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and click on the next video at the end of this video and see what I offer for you to help you grow. All right, take care. God bless.